Google My Business is a free opportunity for you to stand out in your local area. Now, it allows you for free to enable reviews, allow customers to call you or get directions, and even view product services or promotional offers. Now, you're going to want to find your profile and make sure that you're claiming it. So you're going to go to google.com, just type in the business name that you're searching for, and you should see your Google My Business profile populate right here in the right-hand space. Here are all the photos that have been uploaded to the profile, the reviews, the information on the products and services that we've uploaded, and then posts that I want to show you how to do on your Google My Business profile that will help you show up for relevant searches that people in your area are using. So if you have a manage this profile blue check mark, that means that your business is verified. If not, you're going to want to click on verify this business, confirm the address and business name, and then Google is going to send you a code via postcard for you then a few days later to click back on this button and verify the business listing with the code that they send you. Now, they typically say 3 to 5 days, but I would wait 2 weeks. And if you haven't received the postcard, go back through here and then ask them to resend the postcard. Because our profile is already verified, I can't really show you that process. If you're a new business, again, it's really easy. It takes 3 clicks, and you're just going to want to verify the business. Now, you can go here on your Google Apps right next to your profile, and you can look for the blue awning, which is the symbol for Google My Business, or you can just click on the Google My Business, google.com/business, sign in or manage now. You're going to want to sign in using the same Gmail address that you used to set up your Google Analytics account. Now I'm going to find my profile, and these are all the tools that Google gives you to keep your customers up to date. Now, to create a post, you can either click right here where it says create post, or you can go here to the left-hand side of the screen and click posts. It's going to show you everything that you've already posted and the amount of clicks and views that you've received. Now, to create a new one, you're just going to go to the right-hand corner of your screen, click that little blue button, and voila, you'll be able to create either an offer, share what's new with your business, give a COVID update, and even send customers to learn more. Maybe if you have content on a landing page of your website, you can create an event, or you can showcase a product or service that you have. So this is where you would add a photo, you would add in the name of the product, select the category, and then put a price and product description, and of course, either get, offer, order online, etc., for then customers to view this information about your product on your website. This is an easy way to gain local SEO traffic that's organic and natural to your website when someone is searching for relevant terms that are relevant to the business. Now, you can even add a user here. So at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, it'll say users. And you can add an email address here and make them either an owner or a manager so that they will be able to post on behalf of your business if you give them that eligibility. If you want to add services or products, this is where you do so. If you want to add photos, you click on photos and can add photos interior, exterior, at work, team, anything that is relevant to the identity of your business like logos, etc., right from this profile. You can even answer reviews. So a lot of times you'll see reviews on a profile and business owners haven't responded. A lot of times it's due to them just not understanding where to go. So this will actually sort reviews that have been replied to and reviews that haven't been replied to by your Google My Business profile. This is where you find it. And one of my favorite parts is the insights that the Google My Business profile allows you to see about your business. You can see how customers are searching for your business from a 1 week time period all the way to a quarter time period. How many people are seeing you on search versus maps? How many people are calling, visiting your website, or messaging you? And then what are the zip codes? How are people asking for directions, and in what areas of the city are they asking from? So this gives you a ton of insights, and they're adding new information to this profile and performance all the time. So please check in on a regular basis so that you can take advantage of all the bells and whistles that Google My Business gives you for free to utilize in the optimization of your business location.